Welcome to Cheapskate Garage.
Get your kid off the couch, off the video games, and get him a quad. Let me tell you about this little Tao Tao quad. How do you like your quad?
I like it.
What kind of quad is it?
I don't know.
It's a Tao Tao. How long have you had it for?
7 years.
7 years? How old are you now?
10.
When'd you get it?
3.
At the age of 3?
And I broke my arm almost had to have surgery.
Broke your arm. Does the headlight work?
I don't know.
Yeah, it does. Hit the brake pedal. And the brake lights work too. So there you go. If you're thinking about buying your kid a quad when they're 3, I recommend it. This little Tao Tao quad's been running for 10 years, no maintenance. I don't think I've ever changed the oil in it. It just keeps on going and going and going. The only thing I've had to do is buy a couple batteries for it every once in a while. So, Tao Tao Chinese quads. I think we paid $625 for this one, including the helmet that she's wearing too. So, they're a really good quad. They come with a keyfob, so you can watch them ride in the backyard, and you can click off and shut it down if they're getting too rowdy with it. They also come with a strap with a kill switch on it, so if they fall off, the quad shuts off. It's got front drums, 1 rear disc. She pretty much rides with just the rear brakes, because the front brakes are a little hard for her to pull. And the other thing that they have is a throttle stop on it too, so you can adjust how fast they actually go. And this thing, you can tune it down to about 3 miles an hour so they can just putt it around. But I recommend them. Tao Tao quads. You should buy one for your kid.